Extract a page from a PDF as a JPEG. In Python code, how to efficiently save a certain page in a PDF as a JPEG file. Use case. I have a Python Flask web server where PDFs will be uploaded and JPEGs corresponding to each page is stores. This solution is close, but the problem is that it does not convert the entire page to JPEG.
The PDF2 image library can be used. You can install it simply using. Once installed, you can use following code to get images. Saving pages in JPEG format. Edit. The GitHub repo PDF2 image also mentions that it uses pftopm and that it requires other installations. Pftopm is the piece of software that does the actual magic. It is distributed as part of a greater package called Popular. Windows users will have to install Popular for Windows. Mac users will have to install Popular for Mac. Linux users will have pftopm pre-installed with the distro, tested on Ubuntu and Arch Linux. If it's not, run sudo apt install Popular utils. You can install the latest version under Windows using Anaconda by doing. Note: Windows versions up to 0.67 are available at this URL, but note that 0.68 was released in August 2018, so you'll not be getting the latest features or bug fixes.
I found this simple solution, pmup, output to PNG file. Note the library is imported as fits, a historical name for the rendering engine it uses. Note, the library changed from using camel case to snake _ case. If you run into an error that a function does not exist, have a look under deprecated names. The functions in the example above have been updated accordingly. The fits.document class supports a context manager initialization.
Using PyPFium2 v4. Advantages. PyPFium is liberal licensed, BSD3 clause or Apache 2.0, at your choice. It is fast, outperforming Popular. In terms of speed, PyPFium2 can almost reach pmup, returns, pil.image.image, numpy.array, bytes or a C-types array, depending on your needs. Is capable of processing encrypted, password-protected, PDFs, no mandatory runtime dependencies, supports Python and GT = 3.6, setup infrastructure complies with PEP 517-518.
The Python library PDF2 image, used in the other answer, in fact it doesn't do much more than just launching Python with subprocess.popen, so here is a short version doing it directly. Here is the Windows installation link for pftopm, contained in a package named Popular, this URL.
code.